Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Pure Base 501DX, new PC case from Be Quiet for installation and protection of all your important hardware. So let's open the box and discover all the cool features it has to offer. Beautiful MIDI tower in steel, ABS and plastic with wide open tempered glass window. And of course, the side window is removable. With adjustable PCI Express bracket on the back of the case. You can remove the side panel with insulation on the back of the panel. Cable management with Velcro strap to keep your cables tidy and organize it. Included some accessories in the box with some cables. HD audio cable. I/O panel cable, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Type-A, ARGB cable, power supply cable, and another PWM fan cable for the front fan. Four Velcro ties for cable management, one PCI slot cover, one bottom vertical GPU bracket, one top vertical GPU bracket, and some screws, HDD motherboard, standoff wrench, two thumb screws, one standoff, and zip ties for cable management. You can remove the SSD bracket and install two more SSDs here on this removable panel. You can install two 3.5-inch hard drives in this removable HDD gauge. It is very convenient and easy to remove, same and the SSD bracket. You can even remove the SSD panel slot cover. You can remove and clean the bottom dust filter by simply pulling it out. Soft silicone pads on the feet keep it firmly in place on any surface. At the top is the magnetic removable mesh cover. Pre-installed is the Pure Wings 3 140mm PWM fan. You can install another one fan 120 or 140mm and 120 or 240mm radiator for water cooling your CPU. At the front we have a beautiful removable mesh panel with ARGB lighting. I will show you what it looks like in a minute. The ARGB3 pin connector is very conveniently located here, no need to disconnect any cables. You can remove and clean the front dust filter. Pre-installed is the Pure Wings 3 140mm PWM fan. You can install another two fans, 120 or 140mm, total 3 fans, and 120, 140, 240, 280 or 360mm radiator for water cooling your CPU, with a magnetic dust filter. You can install ATX, M-ATX, Mini ITX motherboards. And rear, pre-installed is the Pure Wings 3 140mm PWM fan, or you can install 120mm and here. And at the I/O panel, we have one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, two USB 3.2 Type-A, HD audio combine it, reset button, power button with HDD indicator and ARGB controller. The tempered glass panels and ARGB lighting make it a visually stunning case, while the high quality materials and construction ensure long-lasting performance. It's perfect for users who want a powerful PC without the noise. The excellent airflow and support for liquid cooling ensure your components stay cool. Support for high-end GPUs and cooling solutions makes it ideal for gaming rigs, while quiet operation and ample storage options are perfect for video editing and rendering workstations. With tool-free design and spacious interior make it easy for beginners. And that's a wrap on our look at the Be Quiet Pure Base 501 DX. This case is an absolute standout for anyone building a high-performance PC, whether you are a gamer, content creator, or just someone who appreciates sleek design and excellent airflow. With its tempered glass panels, customizable ARGB lighting, and legendary Be Quiet noise reduction, the Pure Base offers the perfect balance of style, functionality, and quiet operation. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to build a clean, powerful, and quiet system. If you're interested in picking up the Pure Base, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more PC build guides, hardware reviews, and tech tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, keep building, keep gaming, and I'll catch you later.